Hi. I am Jerry. What is cryptocurrency exchange? What is cryptocurrency exchange? Cryptocurrency exchanges offer a way to purchase and sell digital currency in tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Consider factors such as supported assets, fees, payment options, and security before choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Guide for choosing the best crypto exchanges. Are crypto exchanges worth it? If you want to buy currency, joining a crypto exchange may be the best starting point. Bitcoin ATMs may be helpful for buying a few $100s, but using an exchange makes more sense if you want to spend a larger sum or purge money. The most secure and legitimate way to acquire cryptocurrency is through exchanges. Here are a few arguments for cryptocurrency exchanges. Factors to consider before choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. By allowing consumers to purchase and sell cryptocurrencies online or via mobile app, crypto exchanges make it simple to access the markets. Cryptocurrency exchanges offer a variety of digital currencies and tokens, giving investors several options to create a portfolio of digital assets. Reputable cryptocurrency exchanges store user cash in cold storage to protect assets. These regulations, as well as Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering (AML) guidelines, are typically followed by international crypto exchanges. Comparing crypto exchange platforms. Supported asset. Check the list of supported assets if you're trying to purchase other cryptocurrencies than Bitcoin. While some only support a few, others let you swap currencies. Payment methods. Many exchanges allow you to fund your account or make cryptocurrency purchases through wire transfers. Fees. Crypto exchange fees may affect your investment returns, but withdrawal and trading fees are normally low. Security. Cryptocurrency thieves often target cryptocurrency exchanges without security measures in place. Customer service. If you are new to investing or cryptocurrency, choosing an exchange with top-notch customer service is usually the best route to take. Reputation. You should carefully examine customer testimonials, the history of a transaction, and any recent news items that may be relevant before you create an account. Step taken to open account with cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange process is similar to opening a brokerage account online. To start creating an account, you need to supply an email address and password. After that, you'll receive an email asking you to verify you own your email address. A verification process is typically required after you confirm your email address, including personal information, a copy of an official photo ID, and a photo of your email. You might need to present the validity of the ID in exchanges by using a webcam or phone to take a picture of yourself. Every exchange and verification level can vary from a few minutes to several days. After you have completed the verification process, you can fund your trading account using the available financing options. How we chose the best crypto exchanges. Along with platform accessibility, cryptocurrency availability, and customer support alternatives, we also considered. Our whole approach is available if you'd want more details regarding our selection criteria and procedure. Thanks for watching. Kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel and get notified for our next cryptocurrency investing tips.